Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss about determiners of English Grammar class 8. So as you can see here, the determiner and definition of determiners are: a determiner is a word which comes before a noun and limits the meaning of a noun or shows which person or thing is being referred to. Means determiners always come before any noun and it limits the meaning of a noun. It determiners always come before any noun and they limits the meaning of noun and shows which person or thing is being referred to. So here you can see the kinds of determiners. So here 7 kinds of determiners are given here. First is the article. Article is also determiner, and article has 2 kinds. First is the definite articles and second is the indefinite articles. So the is the definite article, a or n is the indefinite article, and second is the demonstrative determiner. These, that, these, those, these are the demonstrative, these are determiners. And possessive determiner, possessive like which has the possession, my, your, his, her, its, our, their. These are the possessive determiner, means these words show the possession. Fourth is the quantifiers. Quantifiers means which tells the quantity of anything, means a few, little, much, many, lot of, most, some, any, enough, like that. These are the quantifiers. And number determiner, 1, 10, 30, 2, 3, like that. These are the number determiners. Next is the distributive. Distributive means itself, the word distributive itself tells about the distributive determiners. So all, both, half, either, neither, each, every. And last one is the predeterminers. These are the such, what, rather, quite. So you can see here all kinds of determiners, and in that I will just explain these kinds of determiners. As I told you, different kinds of determiners. So in these determiners, first is the articles. So article itself has 2 kinds. First is the definite article, I told you, and second is the indefinite article. So what is the definite article and indefinite article? The is definite article and a or n is indefinite articles. So definite articles, the word the is called definite article because it points out some particular person or thing, and articles means determiners are always used before any noun, person or thing. So as I told you, the milk. So milk is here. You can see the example. Milk is here. It is a thing. It is noun, and the is the article, means determiner, and it is the is just used before milk noun. And here it says because it points out some particular person or thing, and it is called, means the word that the is called definite article because it points out some particular person or thing. So here the points out any particular person or thing. So here milk is thing. And indefinite article. Indefinite article means the word a or n is called indefinite article because it leaves indefinite the person or thing talked about. Means it leaves indefinite any person or thing. Means when we indicate towards any person or thing, we use the before that person or thing. So here the milk is used, that is the thing, and we use the milk. Man is coming. So we know which milkman is coming. That milkman is sure because we are knowing that which milkman is coming. We are knowing about that milkman. That's why it is used before that noun, and we are knowing that which milkman is coming. So that's why here it is used before any particular noun, or now before any particular noun means thing or person. And it, when we are not sure which person, which thing, so in that case we use a or an indefinite article, because it leaves indefinite to any person or thing we are talking about. So here a girl was hit by a bike. So we don't know. A girl was hit by a bike. Here we don't know which girl. So here that is indefinite. Indefinite means we don't know which girl is hit by the bike. So here that is indefinite, and here that is definite. Definite means here which is which person or thing we know and which person or thing we don't know. In that case we use a or an, and which person or thing we know, that is definite, and in that case we use before that person or thing the is used.